Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the Walmart and we went to Sam's. So you get two grocery hauls in one video, and also we are doing the weekly meal plan. Haven't filmed a video like this in forever, so super happy. We are in our new house. You can see Jared in a little corner in the screen, sitting on the couch. But anyway, so before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below, comment, like, and hit that notification so every time I post, you will be notified so you won't be missing any of my videos. First off, we're going to go over the weekly meal plan. So Sunday, we're going to have the easy cheesy beef enchiladas. Monday, we're going to have BLT sandwiches. Tuesday, we're going to have fish with steamed broccoli. Wednesday, I have a dinner date because one of my friends is coming into town. Thursday, we're having instant pot chicken cordon bleu casserole. Friday, my brother is getting married on Saturday, so we have the rehearsal dinner on Friday, and then the wedding is on Saturday. And then Sunday, possibly leftovers. It just depends on what we have left in the refrigerator or from the wedding, so we shall see about that. All right, so we're going to go over the Sam's haul, and before I go over those, just make sure that you are looking on the screen because the prices will be up somewhere. First off, we picked up these 3-pack of bacon. We haven't bought bacon in Sam's in forever, and this is one of our favorite brands, so we picked up one of those, and it was like $15. It's outrageous. These usually were like $13, so they went up like $2. Jared's brother Alec got some goldfish. Jared picked up some cereal, so we got the Life Cinnamon, so it's 2 boxes. Chip-wise, we got some Lay's Original Wavy, spicy nacho Doritos, and then we got some cheddar sour cream Ruffles. Fruit-wise, we got some bananas. We picked up this big pack of strawberries. We had to get some soy sauce. We just went ahead and picked up the bigger one because we have been using it a lot lately in cooking. And then we picked up the pack of eggs. I said that weird. Eggs. 18 count. And that is it for the Sam's. So this is the overview of the Sam's haul again. Moving on to the Walmart haul. Starting over here in the veggies, we got 2 avocados for the beefy enchiladas, lettuce for the BLTs. We got some pasta for the casserole. I picked up some of these Snickers creamy maple almond butter. This would be good for my late stays at work, and they were on clearance for $2.50. Picked up some white chocolate chips that we're going to be baking some cookies. The fish-wise, we got the tilapia for the fish night. Cheese, we picked up Swiss and Gouda because that calls for these kinds of cheeses in the casserole that we're going to be making. Spicy brown mustard, we had to pick that up. Then I picked up the snack pack, so these are good for like breakfast or a late snack for me when I'm at work. We picked up a can of red enchilada sauce. I picked up a box of strawberries, or strawberry flavored cake. And that with the white chocolate chip. Found a recipe. It's a 4-ingredient on Pinterest for strawberry cookies, so I'm going to try that. Had to pick up some syrup. We just got the Great Value. Drink-wise, we actually got 3 vitamin waters, but the other one is somewhere probably on the counter, but it's mine. And then Jared picked up the fruit punch and the pomegranate. Alec picked up the Mountain Dew Game Fuel, so he picked up 2 of those. And then Jared also picked the Pepsi Cherry Up. This box is Alec. He got these. These are his favorite candies, so these are the Big Chewy Nerds. And they were originally $1.78 for only 75 cents now. So he picked up like 5 or 6 bags. So that's all his. Picked up some creamer, which is the caramel macchiato. Picked up some oranges because they looked actually pretty good. So I picked those up. We got some sourdough bread for the BLTs and then possibly some French toast. And then last but not least, which is our non-food items, I picked up a new planner for 2020 to 2021. And then I had to pick up a box because I sold some stuff on eBay. So I have to send that off. But anyways, you guys, so that is it. This is our Walmart haul, and this is our Sam's. Here's the overview once again. I hope you are having a great week, a great start to your week because you are watching this on Sunday. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week, and let me know what you're going to be cooking, and let me know if you are a new subscriber or a old subscriber. But anyways, I will see you guys later, and have a great week. Bye.